Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a domain name on your Microsoft Admin Center. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow this learning article of Microsoft. And basically to add a domain, you will be needing first to be like either an administrator or at least to have like a domain name administrator for your enterprise plan. And basically after that, you will be able to do it by to simply go to the setup or on the admin center. You will need just to go to setup and basically you will get your custom domain setup and then click on get started so you can have the wizard so you can start like adding your domain name. Or you can simply go to settings and from the main page you will be able to add the domain and enter the name of the domain that you want to add and then select next. After that, you will be able to choose how you want to verify that you own the domain. That means you will be needing just to go to your domain provider and start like adding the records like the AAA records or the AAA records or the TXT record to verify your domain. As you can see, you can simply like go to the settings as we said and then go to admins, add the domain, and basically you can add a domain that you own. And from there you can use and basically you will be able to uh, verify your domain by using the TXT record. So here you will be adding or connecting to your domain provider if you are using any domain provider, and from there you will be able to connect to the domain from there. So by adding like the TXT record, it will be a verification method, and from there it will be simply added successfully to your admin center, and from there you will be able to start adding user to this domain, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.